I had one client in India who bought one machine from me. And I always liked the Indian people because they are good handcrafters. They are influenced from the British people.
Obviously, yeah.
Um, yeah, on the driving on the left side. So I liked those Indian peoples for many, many years. And because of that contact in India, I asked my customer if he thinks that it's possible to build those machines in India.
Which year is this? When is this?
This is about 10 years ago,
Okay,
eight
yeah.
years
Yeah,
ago.
yeah. Okay.
Again, we are talking of about a period of 40 years. So I spent my whole lifetime in fitness or in machine building, fitness machine building. So, yes, he agreed. And I fly over and I had a few drawings with me. And the idea was in the beginning to have outside vendors who build the frames and the parts, and we only assemble like Delphex do. Delphex don't weld frames on their own. They have vendors who ship everything to them and they assemble. So that was the idea. And I brought some drawings and let them make some samples. And it was a nightmare. It was so hard in the beginning. And when I came to India, it was very dirty. The air was not nice. So I was absolutely unhappy. I visit other factories who could build our frames, and they had no roof, they had no floor. There are cows inside the
Yeah.
factory. People are wearing no shoes.
Yeah.
And when I started in fitness business, I was a schoolboy, but then I did an apprenticeship at Mercedes-Benz. We have a factory in Hamburg, and I learned how to build and fix machines. That was my job. So they programmed me in quality. And when I saw that with my imagine of Mercedes-Benz, it was a nightmare. So, and my partner there found out very quickly that I'm unhappy, and we decided to do everything on our own. And that was the right decision. And he was able to find the right people who understand what we want and who was focusing on quality. And yeah, that was my job there to show them exactly what I want. I ship machines from here or machine parts to India to show them what's important and how everything should be. And it was a bit of hard the first 2, 3 years, but after that it picked up and I had a lot of orders and the machines are still working fine. So also our very first machines I sold are still good and running and without problems. And after 6 or 7 years, I called my contact at Kaiser Training and asked them if they are interested to get machines from India. And yeah, they've been interested and we flight over and they ordered machines and yeah, they are satisfied. And since that time, the Kisa chain buy the machines from me. And this is an important point when we talk about quality. If you build just a few machines a year, and all different, it's very hard to produce a good quality. If you want a good quality, or let's say it other, if I should decide to buy a Ferrari or a Porsche, I would always buy a Porsche because they build a lot of them.
Yeah.
And the more you build, the more serious it becomes, the better the quality is. And that is what we do in the factory. So we don't build just one leg press and one torso arm. We built 10 or 20 leg press, and the same with the other machine. We built them always in a row, to have a high quality and always the same.
And is that because if you're doing so much volume, you just hone the skill really well in terms of the team over there when they're manufacturing the parts, they're getting so good at doing the same thing over and over again.
Yeah, and
Is that part of it?
That is the reason why I paid those workers in the factory over the Corona time, because I wanted to keep them. They had a lot of knowledge, and if people go, you have to start from the beginning, where to place a decal, how to weld, and so on. All those little things, and that are very important. You have to do it all the time. If you stop, you have to learn from the beginning.
Do you have like documentation which shows the guys like exactly how to manufacture from start to finish? Oh, it must be vast, eh?
Yeah. So it's all in technical drawings.
Oh,
so
wow, cool.
in 3D drawings, and then in 2D drawing. That is all described, of course. And of course, we have a folder for every machine with a special, where to place a decal. It have to be always the same. It's little things, but that is very important.